you ever own just one of those square bodies that's carbureted and I just don't want to run? That's what this square body is. A big pile of, you know what I'm saying. So, start it up. It proved me wrong. It started right up. Go figure. Usually it don't do that. Guess I need to start talking mean to it more. PTO is still engaged and my cable broke. It was. We're gonna warm up a few minutes and we'll move out back and try and move some cars around or do something. I've not been productive the last 3 days. I've been productive, but not in a savage reselling kind of way. It's been building PCs for my other channel. So, time to jump back on the bandwagon here. Everything, yeah. Fun, joyful. It was stuck in gear. I guess I yanked on it and forgot to put it in neutral. Oh. So we'll pull it forward. And then we're gonna move the other truck back. Oh, good old scrub body. We need to fix this. Like seriously. This is good. Truck. Take it back to back of the lot now. Good enough. Turn this abomination off. I'll be thinking what I'm doing with this old tractor. We're going to try to get it running in the next video. It's been about a year since we messed with it. We did a few little things and been buying some parts for it. So we're going to try to get it running. And if we can get it running, it's going to one of my buddies' farms. And he's going to use it there. Oh. It's not a bad looking tractor. Not at all. I think hopefully one's better than my square body Chevy over there. I got this kind of just halfway loaded because it's just going around the lot. You know, no safety chains or anything. Got the weight not even. This is a heavy truck. I'm be botting this one out. Probably here in a couple weeks, maybe in a month or so. I might wait till after winter to do this. It's a pretty nice F-150. Got some good interior parts and stuff on it. I just got done parting out of Expedition. If you didn't know, I got an eBay store called Busy Automotive. You can check that out. I part a lot of stuff. But yeah, this one was basically rusted away at the frame and broke in half. Other than that, this runs perfect, drives perfect, good transmission. You can see, not safe to drive. So now I got to move that back